Snakes have been roaming Earth for over 100 million years. With all this time to perfect themselves, snakes have evolved into extremely advanced killing machines. Snakes have developed 3 very different methods to kill their prey, but all 3 end in a quick and efficient meal. 600 species, or only 25% of all snake species, are venomous, which means that using venom is the most uncommon method for a snake to kill its prey. When a venomous snake strikes its prey, the snake's fangs puncture the prey animal's skin, injects the load of venom, and then the snake releases the prey as quickly as possible to avoid injury. Snake venom is a heavily modified type of saliva and is so powerful that the snake does not even have to work for its food. There are 3 types of venom: cytotoxins, hemotoxins, and neurotoxins. Cytotoxins dissolve the animal's muscles until eventually shutting down the internal organs and finally the heart. Hemotoxins thicken the prey's blood until the animal dies of major blood clotting. Neurotoxins are the most efficient, which send the victims into complete paralysis within seconds after the bite. When the prey eventually dies from the venom, the snake simply uses its highly advanced sense of smell to track down a body. One snake that is native to Texas that uses this method is the western diamondback rattlesnake. The venom of the diamondback is primarily hemotoxic, affecting mainly the blood vessels, blood cells, and the heart. These snakes mainly prey upon rodents and small reptiles. 75% of snake species don't have the privilege of having venom, and therefore have to work a little harder for their food. One method that non-venomous snakes use is to simply overpower it and swallow it whole. These snakes usually target small animals, so they are easier to overpower. These snakes consume their prey as fast as possible so that they are not vulnerable to predators. One snake native to Texas that uses this method is the Texas indigo snake, a huge dark blue snake that eats pretty much everything. According to the Texas Parks and Wildlife Department, indigo snakes do not rely on constriction or venom to subdue their prey. Rather, they simply overpower it. The Texas indigo most often eats other snakes, including venomous snakes, but also eats small mammals, birds, lizards, fish, and even frogs and insects. Indigo snakes have incredibly powerful jaw muscles that even allow it to overpower animals the size of rabbits and foxes. However, all snakes in this category are completely harmless to humans. Other snakes use a method called constriction. Constriction involves wrapping loops of the body around a prey animal to restrain it so that it cannot escape or injure the snake, and to kill it before ingestion. Constrictor snakes squeeze their prey until the animal can no longer breathe and it dies of cardiac arrest or suffocation. One very common constrictor snake in Texas is the Texas rat snake. As the name implies, they most often eat rats, but also eat squirrels, birds, and lizards. The largest snakes in the world, the reticulated python and the green anaconda, are also constrictors. Some large constrictors have been reported to kill and eat humans in various Asian countries. However, all of the North American constrictors are harmless. So now you understand more about how snakes behave and how truly amazing they are. Whether it's a cobra using its cytotoxic venom to kill a monkey, or an earth snake swallowing a worm, snakes are nature's most effective and efficient killers. However, while snakes are extremely advanced at killing, roughly 75% of all snake species are completely harmless to humans. While snakes may be living nightmares to small animals, humans do not need to fear snakes as long as caution is used. Thank you.
Right.